Hi everyone, next refurbishing project is sewing machines and very old sewing machines drawer. It used to be just under the table like this, so you can pull it out, and it was hanged by such an L-shaped stick, and this L shape in this mortgage used to slip like this, but unfortunately this part is broken. I'm not sure if you can see it, only this remains, and if you pull out a little bit then it falls down. The other is fine, so I left it on the table, under the table. I have to do a new from this one. For that we will use my storage, where I have lots of remaining parts, and use one of them. But first of all, we have to draw the cross section, how it looks like. I'm in Central Europe, so I'm counting in millimeters, sorry for that. That's 10. So the cross section looks like should look like somehow so. This is 10. The height 15. And this small, the thickness is 5. And the bottom is kind of 15 and a half. It can be 16 maybe. Okay. This is not wide enough. Let's find another one. Yeah, that's fine. So first of all I have to cut out 15 and 15 both sides. Okay, then I have 15 from both directions. Yeah, it was okay. Then I need to set the height on 10, and from the other part also 10. It's 5 and 5, yeah. Now I have to make sure that it includes the blade thickness. Okay, and lower it. And now I have to cut off this part here. Seems like I got a little bit bigger, so it must be lowered again. And redo again. So that's a hardwood. Maybe it would be better to use this one. So starting from scratch again, 15 without the blade. The height is also 15. No, it should be higher. Okay. It has some tear outs, but it doesn't really matter, so it won't be visible. And now lower again. Then including the blade.